Writing professional emails in English gets easier fast once you have a few reliable templates ready. You're not starting from zero every time, staring at a blinking cursor, wondering how to open. Most learners overthink email tone far more than necessary, spending 10 minutes on a single sentence. Here are 3 templates you can copy and adjust for almost any work situation, starting with your very next email. Template 1. Making a request. Start with the goal, not the backstory. Hi Sarah, could you send me the updated report by Thursday? I need it to finalize the presentation. Notice the request comes in the very first sentence, not buried after 3 lines of explanation. You'll get faster replies once people don't have to search for what you actually need from them. Template 2. Following up without sounding pushy. Hi Sarah, just following up on my last email. Happy to help if you have any questions. That single phrase, just following up, softens the reminder completely, making it feel helpful instead of impatient, even though you're essentially repeating your first request word for word. Template 3. Explaining a delay professionally. Hi Sarah, apologies for the delay. I'll have this ready by end of day tomorrow. Notice this template does 2 things at once. It briefly acknowledges the delay, then immediately gives a new, concrete deadline. That combination reads as accountable and in control, not just apologetic. Here's why these 3 specific templates work so well. Each one leads with the most important information first, then adds just enough context to feel human, not robotic. That structure, goal first, context after, is what professional English emails consistently do, regardless of the exact topic or industry you work in. Try this today. Pick one of these 3 templates and use it in your next real email, adjusting only the specific details. Which type of email do you find hardest to write? Requests, follow-ups, or explaining delays? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.